Good afternoon, dear all my students. So, today we're going to see the chapter 5, that is more about keyboard. Okay, keyboard in the sense whatever data we need to put, suppose with the typing means letters as well as with the numbers, then we used to take the help of the keyboard, and accordingly we do input the datas. Okay, now let's see what and all it has said in the chapter. Okay, a keyboard is an input device. We use it for typing. When we press the keys on it, the matching characters appears on the screen of the monitor. Okay, let me explain this one. The keyboard is an input device. Input device in the sense whatever information when we give it to the computer for execution or for the other works, that means that it is an input device. Means through the device we used to give the data to the computer. So those things are known as input device. So whatever we type, the same matching thing will be appearing on the screen on the monitor. Okay, here it has given the keyboard's picture also, so you can take a look into it. Okay, now after that it is given the alphabet letter keys. So alphabet, as we know, like we have 26 characters, means 26 letters. So these are all haphazardly given over here, and it is like QWERTY. That is why it is said also QWERTY keyboard. Okay, let's get into the explanation. That is, the keys having letters A to Z on them are called alphabet keys. We use them to type words and sentences. Okay, means with the help of all these letters we do type words as well as the sentences also. There are totally 26 alphabet keys. We see them in 3 rows of a keyboard in a jumbled order. Jumbled order in the sense like it will not be in an order like A, B, C, D, E, F, not in that order. It is in a jumbled order. Okay. Uh, Next page, let's see the number keys. Okay, the key having numbers 0 to 9 on them are called number keys. Means 0 to 9, these 10 keys are there. And with the help of this 0 to 9 we can write any numbers as per our requirement. We use them to type the numbers. There are two places on a keyboard as mentioned. One top of the alphabet keys. Okay, so that will be in a row, and on the right side of a keyboard on the numeric pad. Okay, so there will be 2 sections for the numeric keys, means from 0 to 9. Okay, now let's see the special keys. There are some special keys on a keyboard. We do important tasks with them. So these keys means the keys are colored with pink. So these are all known as the special keys. And with the help of these special keys, we do different type of tasks with this. Okay, let's see the enter keys. We use the enter key to move to the beginning of the next line. This key is also called the return key. There are 2 enter keys on a keyboard, so keep it in mind that there will be 2 enter keys on a keyboard. Okay, and enter key actually it is used to the beginning of the next line, and it is known also as a return key. Okay, next is the caps lock key. When we use this key to type capital letters, we use this key to type capital letters, and you will get this key at the left hand side. And it will be written also like caps on key. We press the caps lock key once to turn it on. By default, actually, whenever we type anything of alphabets, it will be in small letter, and when we press this caps lock key once, so it will be on, and whatever letter we will type, everything will be typed in capital letters. This allows us to type text in capital letters. We press it again to turn it off and type lower case letters. Okay, means again when we press this key once, then whatever letters in alphabet we type will appear in small letters. Next, let's see what has given out here. Okay, so here some of the things also you can see when this caps lock key is pressed, means once it is pressed, so the caps lock key, there will be a indicator or button will glow in green. Okay, it actually depends from manufacturer to manufacturer. Okay, delete key. Delete means to delete something, to wipe off something. We use this key to delete characters, letters, numbers or symbols to the right side of a cursor. Okay, means where the cursor will appear when we press this delete key, so the right side of the cursor, typed letters or symbols or numbers, whatever, will be deleted. Okay, so now backspace key. We use this key to delete characters to the left side of a cursor. In the sense, backspace key in the sense like it also works like a delete key only, but whatever deletion thing will happen, it will happen uh, the left side of the cursor where it will blink. Okay, page up and page down keys. We use these two keys to move a page up or down. In the sense, whenever we use in software, means suppose like Microsoft Word, so there will be a fixed width, fixed length of that page. So once it is finished, okay, then it will go to the next page, means one after the other page will keep coming on. So if we take this page up and page down key, so the cursor will jump one page. Okay, if we click or if we press this page down key, then the cursor will go, means cursor means the system will leave one page and it will go to the next page. Again, if we press on page down key, again it will leave that current page and it will go to the next page. Like this means page wise it will be either go up or go down as per the keys are pressed. Okay, next is the shift key. There are two shift keys on a keyboard. We use a shift key with the other keys for different purposes. If we normally click this shift key, nothing is going to happen, but always there will be a function which means which for performing a task we need to take the shift key, help of the shift keys. For example, to type at the rate, we press a shift key with the number key 2. Okay, means shift key, after that we'll have to press the number key 2, where actually that at the rate is written. After that, the at the rate will be displayed on a monitor. Okay, next is the cursor key. Cursor keys are marked with arrows. There are 4 arrow keys on a keyboard. These keys allow us to move a cursor like the direction as it has given: up, down, left and right. So when we press up key, so the cursor will move one line up. When we press the down arrow key, so the cursor will move one line down. When we press the left arrow key, it will shift the cursor just by one place. And if we press the right arrow key, then the cursor will move only one place towards right. So that is the work of the arrow keys. Mainly we use this arrow key while we play the gaming, while we play game. Okay, next is the function keys. There are 12 function keys from F1 to F12. Each function key has a different job to do. Okay, so what was the thing after that? Character. What is a character actually in keywords? It has given it is letter, number or symbol, and delete means erase or remove. The keys with letters A to Z are called alphabet keys. The keys with numbers 0 to 9 are called number keys. Enter key helps us to move to a new line. Caps lock key is used to type capital letters only. Delete key erases the characters to the right side of a cursor. Backspace key erases the characters to the left side of a cursor. Page up, page down keys move a page up or down. Shift keys and function keys are used for different purposes. We use cursor keys to move a cursor. So that was all about the keys. Okay, keyboard actually. So now I will tell you some other things, like in no more it has given a standard keyboard has 104 or more keys on it. Keep it in mind, a standard keyboard has 104 or more keys on it. Next is the key having all the letters and numbers on a keyboard are called alphanumeric keys. In the sense alphabetic, if I write A9, so that is a alphanumeric. Okay, next is uh, be careful while using the delete key. If you select something on the screen and press the delete key, you will lose it. Okay, then is why do we press the number key 2 with the shift key to type at the rate? Actually it is a second function called. Okay, so when we press the shift key and number 2 key, then at the rate will be appeared or it will be typed. Okay, uh, next is cursor is a small blinking line on a monitor. It shows the place where we can type a letter, number or symbol, in the sense to distinguish where we need to write a letter, word or sentences. So we need to see the cursor where actually it is blinking. From there on, whatever we will type, it will be typed. Okay, in computer adequate it has given do not play near a computer. The screen of a monitor is very delicate. It may break when hit with a solid object. Okay, so go through the chapter. It is very easy. Study well and stay well. Thank you.